what's up, William? Quick demo video for you for your Dembek Relics Scrapflex. This is really cool. I know I've had this for a few days being done. I was doing some testing and then getting some other things done, and then also trying to iron out the sound fonts that you sent to me. But I got those all on this morning, so we can go over this guy. It's installed the Proffie V2 that I'll show you here in a second. 2-button setup, so you're gonna have your activation up here and your auxiliary down here. You'll feel those tactiles underneath this clamp card. This got CCSabers LEDs in there for your main PCB. This takes a 7/8 diameter blade because it's made from an old, this is an old 2.0 Graphics kit. And then we're using this guy as your blade retention. This is what I wanted to do, so you didn't need any tooling. So we'll be using that here in a second. But to get to everything, you just want to unscrew the handle. Once you take the handle off, here's your chassis right here. So it does say, it says Dembek Relics over here for Dylan, and then Solo Sabers over here for me and Arabesh. You've got your Proffie board here. This is a snap fit down into the chassis. So if you keep popping it up and down over time, doing some different, some configurations and whatnot, if you feel it get loose, just put a little bit of E6000 on the sides of the board and hold it down. It will lock in place. But for right now, it's very tight in there. You shouldn't have any issue. And then you got a removable battery setup, spring side over here, right? 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker. And then one thing I added that you didn't ask for, but I thought you'd like, was on these old Graphics cores, you've got this little wire path hole right here that normally you won't see on a Graphics, but because you could see it here, I put a single pixel accent on the inside of this chassis. You're not going to be able to see it on camera. I'm trying to show it. There's a single pixel accent in there that lights this guy up. And I did some different things for the different sound fonts that you've got on here. So hopefully you like that. I just, there's a hole there. I thought it'd be a waste if we didn't light it up. So that's what we did. Let's put a battery in this guy. And we'll put the handle on. Tighten it all the way down, and then this is what I meant by, try to light that up a little bit. You got your LEDs working in there. That turns to red. Auxiliary. So you'll see that animation here. Twist off. Or we could use activation.
What could you give me? Everything.
We got a good smooth swing. We'll throw a blade in this guy. The blade in, I will go to the sound fonts that you gave me. So you just tap for blaster deflex. You've still got that animation here. You do have battle mode, so on a full length blade, you'll see your blade lock up until you pull away from it. The Reaper. I just try to give you some different colors. If you don't like a color, all you have to do is hold down auxiliary and hit power. You hear that noise? Now you can just twist the saber and find whatever color you like. So if we wanted, this green, find it, just tap the power button. You'll hear that noise. So now when we turn this on, it's green. Just like that. And you gave me one more.
Surrender or face the consequences.
Sokatano. So I gave you a silver blade. Now your accent will be kind of gold until you turn the blade on. And then it matches your blade on this one. And then I left all of the stock fonts on here as well. So you can cycle through those if you like. We'll take the blade out. And then just do the same thing to get the blade or the battery out, man. We'll just unscrew the handle again. Pretty straightforward on this guy. The positive side over here by your speaker is where you can come over here with your finger and pop it out just like that. And that's pretty much your Saber. I did put a copy of the config file that I used on your SD card in case you want to make any changes or just see what I did there. It's right there for you. So let me know if you got any questions, and if not, I'll try to get this out in the mail to you tomorrow morning. All right, thanks.